Hi all, so welcome back to this channel once again. And in I video session I will be discussing how we will be appending data to an IFS stream file in RPGLE AS400. So basically, if there is a file on the IFS and that has already some data, and I want that the existing data would be retained and my new data would get returned to that IFS file next to that data. So that's basically appending data to the IFS stream file. So how we will be doing that thing, I'm showing you that demo here. So let me move towards the demo for that purpose. So I've written this program, append program. So here you can see I have declared the prototype for several APIs, C APIs close, which is going to close, which is used to close the file IFS stream file which is open. So I need to pass the file descriptor assigned to that file in this one, and it will return me an integer whether it is closed or not. 0 means closed and -1 means error. The second thing is write. So write will accepts the file descriptor which is being used to write the file, the buffer, the data which we need to write, and number of bytes which we need to write. It will return the number of bytes which will get uh, returned to the IFS stream file. And the most important thing is open, which is used to open the file and create the file. So that will accept the IFS path, the open flag in which I want to open that, and the mode, that is the securities, and the code page is the CCS ID. These two are optional. So it is the open flag which I have declared as a constant, so that it would be easy for us to pass the constant values in the form of decimal, which in directly converted to the binaries, basically setting some bits to on for doing something. So this is the read only, write only, read write, create file if not exist, exclusive create, trunk to 0 bytes, truncate to 0 bytes, append to file, and all these things. Mode is the authority for the owner, the read group, group users, or the others. So you can get all this information from my IFS Hello World application. So you can watch that, and you can even watch Open API video, Open API in IFS uh, on my channel, so that you will be getting the detailed information about these mode and flag, O flag, because I have explained it very clearly there. So you will get the information about these things, that why, what are all these values are. Now we need the IFS path, we need the O flag, we need the mode, we need the code page, we need file descriptor, IFS data, return underscore write, return underscore close, because we'll just be calling all these APIs one by one. So first thing is to have the IFS path. So this is the IFS file which I'm going to create, and then I'll passing the flag here. So appending data is something, and I don't want to clear the existing data and want to write or want to append some data to the existing one. So for that I need to open the file in the write only mode, and if that file is not created I have to create that and then open in the append of file. So appending to file. So I'll be passing all these three flags by summing this up. So basically I'm passing 2 plus 8 plus 256, that is 266. So I'm going to pass 266 decimal, which is when we convert that to binary, that will be setting some bits to on in the 32-bit format string. This is the mode. So I am providing read owner, write owner, execute owner authority, because in case if file does not exist, then that will be created and have following authorities. So this is only required when I am going to create a new file. So in this case we don't have the append file. Let me show you. We don't have that file, so I'm going to create that. So it will create it. So first thing, to open the file, so I'll be passing the IFS path O flag, which is this one, and the mode. So if the file descriptor is less than 0, which means open is not, the file is not open, and it will return an error. So I'll come out of this thing. If IFS data, that is IFS data is data append. So this is first thing. So um, I'm calling this write API, passing the file descriptor, address of this IFS data variable, and the size of this IFS data variable, so that it would return me number of bytes which it has returned. So if it is less than the size, then it means some data is not returned, and it will have some there is some error. So it will return from here, and then again I'm going to write some data like continued, so that I would test whether it is appending the data or not. So I am calling the same write API again to append some data to the file, and then I am going to close this file by passing the file descriptor to the close API. That will return me an integer. If it's -1, then it will return error. So just save this. Let's compile this. I'll just going to debug this now. So set the breakpoint and then call append. Now we're going to create this file append, and we'll open that in this mode 266, that is append to file write only mode, and we'll create the file if not exist. So this file does not exist, so it will get created once this is the authorities which I'm going to set on this file. And now I'm calling open API, which will create the file and open the file. So let's see, append file is created, and let's see the authorities. So it has the owner, read, write, execute authorities, and it is open now. So file descriptor is 1, which means if it is greater than or equal to 0, which means the file is open or created. So it is unique for every file. Let's say 1 for this one. Now I'm going to write some data append. So I'm going to set 11 because the size of IFS data is 11, and I was writing 11 bytes, and I'm successfully able to write 11 bytes. Let's see, data append. Now let's write another continued. So we'll again write the same thing. So it will again append the data append, then continued, and then it will close the file by passing the file descriptor as 1. So that's close is successful. There is no error. Now if I see the data is written here, let's call that again. Now it will again come, and it will open that file. Since this file is already existed, so it will simply open that file and assigns a file descriptor. Oh, that's already opened. Let's append the data. data append. So you can see the data is going to get written into the IFS file and the file gets closed successfully. So you can see it is written again. So this way you are able to append the data to a IFS stream file in RPGLE AS400. So that's all. Thank you.